Water, wherever it is needed. The easy access to water pipelines below ground. Hi, welcome to the first episode of our GARDENA Pipeline installation tutorial. First, we'll look at what the pipeline system is and what it can do. Every GARDENA pipeline system consists of more or less the same individual parts. It all starts at the connecting point where water enters the system. Along the pipes, you can place water outlets at nearly any point to supply a multitude of neat accessories with water. Our quick and easy connection technology guarantees a perfectly tight connection. And with the drain valve, the system can stay permanently underground because it's frost-proof. The water tap and oscillating sprinkler add new functionality, but we'll get to that later. Convenient, reliable, easy to plan.
Realize your gardening dreams. GARDENA.
Planning. Hi, welcome to the second episode of our GARDENA Pipeline installation tutorial. Water wherever it is needed. Let's get started right away. Installing a pipeline system in your garden may seem like a chore, but don't worry, it's easier than you think. Start by drawing a sketch of your garden. First, think about where in your garden you would like to take water out of the system. Place water stations at these locations. Now, mark the water supply, the point where water is fed into the system. Then place the connecting point near the water supply. Add the connecting pipes, connectors and fittings on the sketch. And now you're already done with step 1. Write a shopping list with all the needed parts and off you go.
Realize your gardening dreams. GARDENA.
Installation. Hi, welcome to the third episode of our GARDENA Pipeline installation tutorial. In this part, we're going to take a look at installing the pipeline system. Let's get to work. In the first step, we'll take a look at our tools. Prepare a lawnmower, a spade, and some coarse gravel. Here's a clever tip. Mow the lawn and water it beforehand. Especially in warm summer months, this will make your work much easier. Unwind the pipes and lay them out in the sun for 1 or 2 hours. This makes them easy to straighten. Cut the pipes with the pipe cutter to the correct length and remove any dirty cut edges by chamfering the pipe. Make sure no dirt or soil enters the pipeline. Before we start getting our hands dirty, we'll lay out all the components according to our plan. When doing so, start at the water outlet points. Place the connecting point close to your water source. Now connect the elements. Push the pipes approximately 6 centimeters into the connecting part over the sealing ring, creating a watertight connection. Important, the sealing ring is positioned after approximately 4 centimeters. At this point, push the pipe further in. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it after your first try. Now connect the water stations and the connecting point with a prepared pipe and connectors. Now comes the digging. Use a spade to cut out a V-shaped pipe trench approximately 20 to 25 centimeters deep. When doing so, carefully remove the turf that you have dug out. Lay lines with pipeline components connected in the trench. All water stations and the connecting point must be installed flush with the ground surface. Afterwards, connect the connecting point with Profi system to the water source, in our case a tap. It's of absolute importance to check if all components are connected correctly. To do so, carry out a test run and make necessary adjustments in case of any leaks. Since your new water network will remain permanently in the ground, we have to make it frost-proof. Simply install the drain valves at the lowest points of the system. This allows for easy drainage of the pipes. To improve drainage and protect the drain valve, underlay it with a water drain package of gravel. Now replace the soil, lay the turf on the soil and tread down. Everything will grow back faster if you water the soil and turf. After 2 to 3 weeks, you will not be able to see the system anymore.
Realize your gardening dreams. GARDENA.
Accessories. And here's the last episode of our tutorial. Well done! You just finished installing your very own pipeline system. So, what can you do with it? Let's take a look at all the accessories which help you realize your gardening dreams. Setting up a sprinkler for your garden has never been easier or more convenient. Just a click and you're ready to go with the Pipeline oscillating sprinkler. The Pipeline garden water tap is quickly mounted on any water station and gives you full flexibility for all your watering and cleaning tasks. If you need a hose for watering, we got you covered. For example, with a great garden hose box. Or simply attach a hose to the water plug or any of the water stations for quick use. And once gardening season comes, you'll be happy to set up that micro drip system to water and nurture your plants.
Realize your gardening dreams. GARDENA.